What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be unboxing this Naruto Kayou Tier 3 Wave 2 booster box. Hope you guys are liking the updated look to the studio set. I did get this Gata desk mat from Etsy that I think looks really dope in the shot. Also, we do have some new sets outside of Kayou that I'm looking to open on this channel, so make sure you are subscribed to stay tuned. Now let's go ahead and throw up that screenshot of what you'll find in this set. You guys should know me by now. I'm still looking for a super rare pull, but let's go ahead and see what we find in these packs. First pack we have Inoichi, Rock Lee, and what is that behind there? We have an OR Choji. The artwork on that butterfly mode is wild. That looks really cool. There is Pakkun and Tenten. Here is Shino, Iruka, and an SSR Naruto. There is Sakura and Karin. Here is Sakura, Kiba, Suigetsu, Kiba again, and Dosu. Here's Minato, Sasuke, and an AR Itachi. That Mangekyo in the background looks really dope. And you gotta love his Anbu outfit too. We've got Naruto and Sasuke. In this pack we have Kakashi, Sai, SSR Sasuke, Sai again, and Kushina. Here we've got Sakura, Shikamaru, Sakon, Kankuro, and Sakura. Here we've got the Gold and Silver brothers, Sakura. There's our SSR Kisame, Ibiki, and Sai. And here's Kiba, Gaara, Sasuke, Mifune, and Choji. And there's Neji, Obito, SSR Kiba, Jugo, and Shino. And here is Sasuke, Kiba, Naruto, Hinata, and Jirobo. Up next we have Sarutobi, Konan, Obito, Rock Lee, and Naruto. And there is Yamato, Sasuke, Sakura, Iruka, and Gamatatsu. And here is Kankuro, Naruto, and what is that? That is an MR Minato. Oh my god. This card looks insane. Definitely happy with this pull. I mean, look at how shiny that card is. There's Ino and Iruka. And in this pack we have Shikaku, Killer Bee, an SSR Kakashi, Sakura, and Karin. There's Iruka, Neji, and an AR Obito. Wow. Look at those orbs in the back. That looks really cool. Really nice looking AR. And here we have Kidomaru and Kakashi. In this next one we have Sasuke, Sasori, Gamakichi, Sasuke, and Sasuke again. Alright, we have Shikamaru, Minato, and there is a really dope looking UR Temari. That tannish background looks really clean. There's Choji and Genma. Here is Temari again, Shikamaru, and a UR Naruto. Love how he's got that orange background. Definitely gotta have a flashy card for the main character. There's Naruto again, and Hanabi. Two packs left here. In this one we have Danzo, Gaara, and look at that, we've got an OR Deidara. There's Shizune and Neji. Alright, we are down to our last pack. And in this one we have Tenten, Kakashi, an SSR Sakura, Tayuya, and Sasuke. Okay, well it looks like we are done opening up all the packs. As usual, we'll go ahead and end it off with a recap of our rare hits. So, in this box, we got an OR Choji, AR Itachi, MR Minato, AR Obito, UR Tenten, UR Naruto, and an OR Deidara. That's going to be the end of this video. If you enjoyed the unboxing, please give it a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments which box you want me to open up in my next video. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Peace!